channel. It's your flight attendant Pinky here. It's my day off and I'm back in Vegas. For today, I'm going to show you guys Palms Casino, which they just reopened about a month ago. They have this dim sum place in there that I'm going to try it out, and I'll be showing you guys this so-called Michelin star restaurant. Let's go explore Las Vegas with me.
Palms Casino Resort is a hotel and casino located near the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise, Nevada. This is the gaming area that you guys are seeing, which is also called the slot machine area. This is the table game area, and this is called blackjack. I think slot machine is the first thing that people think of when it comes to Las Vegas. Also guys, don't forget to like my video and leave me a comment down below. This is the buffet in Palms Casino. Unknown is a very popular bar inside Palms Casino. I found this little cute area to take photos. Now let's go check out Tim Ho 1. I hope I pronounced it right. I actually like how the menu comes with the photos. I know that Tim Ho 1 is actually a chain restaurant and they have it all over Asia. Do you guys know if the menu in Asia is like this?
Just finished my show and we're about to head to another restaurant. I'm about to start my second meal. I wanted to show you guys how I eat my oysters. We're gonna sprinkle some lemon juice and this is the salt. To finish it off, we're going to dip it in the sauce right here. Oh, it comes like this. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. And leave me a comment down below if you guys have any questions for me. See you guys next time.